guys, happy Thursday. We're starting a little mini vlog. This is just gonna be a closet cleaning, organization, get my life together video. Yes, that's what this video is. My closet is a mess. I'm actually embarrassed to show you, but I'm gonna show you. It's a mess, and like more of a mess than usual. And I also need to like purge some things because it's just getting like, I like to be able to like move the hangers back and forth when I'm looking for something to wear. And right now they don't move. So I'm gonna purge a few things that I haven't worn so far for fall, because if I haven't worn it yet, I mean, unless it's something like really special or been excited to wear it. And if I didn't wear it last fall, I probably need to get rid of it. So gonna purge. First, we're gonna clean because I can't even function in there right now. We're gonna clean, and then we're gonna purge, and then we're gonna unpack. I don't know what order. I need to unpack from St. Louis. Okay, we're gonna clean, we're gonna unpack, and then we're gonna purge. I don't know. We'll see. And then obviously there'll be like, I'll speed it up so it's not too boring. But I'll stop and share any tidbits or words of wisdom. And of course, these pajamas are from Target. And my hair is from Ivy League Tresses. I will, of course, link it below. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna show you. Oh my God. I'm so embarrassed. Okay, so this is just a box for my friend that I'm gonna give to her of just random things. It's my suitcase from St. Louis. I need to unpack. That is clean laundry that needs to be put away. That's me. That is a bag I need to unpack from shooting yesterday. Oh my God. My actual drawers are still organized, but I need to put all of that away. Those are from traveling, and then that's from doing my makeup yesterday. And yeah, we just need to, I mean, it's not that bad. It just looks really bad. Yeah, it just looks really bad. It's not that bad, but it's not that good either. Okay, let's get to cleaning. I need a Red Bull. Guys, a little break. We put away the luggage. I unpacked that bag. So, and we, oh my God, we cleaned off the desk so I can like move around and not trip and put things where they go. So now I'm gonna purge. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm just gonna go through like and pull things out that I know I haven't worn and I just have no plan to wear, and create some space, because as you can see, like I don't like that. Like I can barely see what's in there. I don't like that. And my blazers are just like out of control. These are blazers and suits, and some of this stuff I got in the summer and I didn't wear it, and it's like, I'm just not feeling it anymore. So we're just gonna quickly thrift that, and then I need to put my luggage in the hallway closet, but we'll do that at the end. And then this stuff needs to go up too. So, but I don't have any room, so we're gonna purge first. So let's get into that. And I'm watching a little YouTube. This is B. Jones Style. If you like thrifting, then you should watch her videos. I'll put it here, B. Jones Style, but she does a lot of thrifting. Saw me go through, oh hello son, go through everything, and I'm realizing that it's not that I have too much stuff. Like I purged a few, but I didn't have that much stuff I wanted to get rid of. But I just need to reconfigure how things are set up, because I have a ton of space over there for like dresses and skirts, and I was keeping my coats there, but I just moved them into that closet. So, and then like my blazers are really full and my shirts are really full, but I have plenty of room for pants. So I'm thinking I just need to move something over there. I just don't know what it is. Like maybe I'll do jackets, or maybe suits. Maybe I'll start with, or maybe I'll do sweaters. Yeah, because I have some sweaters folded down here. But then I have some hanging. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I think I'll move sweaters over here and maybe any jackets, because these is like blazers and jackets mixed. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Good talk. Good talk.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
Another change of plans. So I have both of these sections organized. Oh, look how beautiful they are. So we have skirts, dresses, and jackets here. And then I have just blazers and suits here. I have decided that I'm going to fold all of the sweaters here and probably take the sweaters out of that bottom drawer. And I'm going to put them all up here, because then I'll just be, I like to be able to see everything, because that helps me get dressed faster. And this is just kind of wasted space, and we ain't got time for that. So these boxes will all come down, and that's gonna be sweaters. I'll probably leave the hats there, but this is a lot of space for sweaters. These go back really deep, so I could probably put, I'm gonna try to keep it all one row, but if needed, I can double them up, and I could probably fit 2 or 3, fold it, and then all the way across. So that's what we're doing. See how things escalate? It's 12:30.
Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Is it? We have organized the closet. I feel personally so much better. I hope you do too. Hopefully this was some inspiration, you know, if you need to do some cleaning. I always like to watch cleaning videos when I need to clean, so I hope this helped. As always, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at HIGHLOWLUXXE. Read my blog, HIGHLOWLUXXE.com. I do have a Facebook community, the Luxxe It Up community, if you're interested in fashion and beauty and like-minded women. I think that's it. As always, thanks for stopping by.